What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, a lot longer than I wanted it to be, but we did have some issues come up. So when we got back from the last trip, I found a broke belt in one of my truck tires, so it's not safe to drive, let alone tow with that. And then as I took the tires off, I realized the ball joints were bad, the tie rods were bad. Financially, that set me back a lot, but right now we just finished loading up. We're about to get on the road. I put more dielectric grease on those spark plug boots. I was very easy on it when I put it back together the last time, so crossing my fingers, hope that works. We're just going to Soggy Bottoms again because it's the closest park for me to test this out. I don't want to take it super far and then act up again. But yeah, without further ado, we're going to get on the road and we'll catch y'all at the park. All right, so we made it to the park. We're at the snorkel pond first. I'm going to see if this spark plug issue is resolved. I don't know if I fixed the GoPro microphone yet. I cleaned everything out, but I'm going to use it here and Jalen's going to record on my phone. I'll check the footage later and make sure it's working. If not, then I'll just be talking to y'all through the phone. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and test this thing out and let it sit in the water a little bit and see if it drops the cylinder or not. Hopefully y'all can hear me. So far it's good. Water feels really good. Got a lot softer since last time. Yeah, it's a lot softer. Like I said, I don't know if y'all are able to hear me on the GoPro or not. I'm gonna go back and check the footage to make sure before I record on them any further. But so far it's working. There's no issues. It didn't hiccup at all. The bottom in this pond got a lot softer. It was brand new when I first came in it like a month ago. So now that all this water has been sitting here, it got a whole lot softer. So I've had to get off of it over there and let it crawl itself out. But we're gonna go to the river and cool off, get some water wheelies for y'all, and we'll meet y'all there. It's a little soft. It's a little soft. I need you to pick up on that side.
Go.
I got him slowly turning.
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Give it. Where are you going with it? Give it gas.
I'm going backwards. They're spinning. Oh wait, are they? No, they're not. It's cutting out. You got a winch?
Huh? Yeah. It's cutting out?
Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna get that deep.
Hey, it's cutting off.
Need to pick up the ass. That's one cylinder. That's why it's so rich. Yeah, I know. Wherever. Why does it do it now?
Two wires. Two wires.
That's why it wasn't moving, because it wouldn't spin. There it goes.
There it is. Two wires.
Yeah. Well, huh? Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Appreciate it. That's why it quit moving, because the tires weren't spinning. Still not running good. Check the GoPro. GoPro is working, but still got the same issue. More dielectric grease to not fix the issue. I already called, or my buddy called Motorsports and went ahead and ordered the cable assemblies for both front and rear. And they're in Texas, so should be able to have them by next weekend. Right now we're just doing a little river ride because the river is really, really low. I haven't seen it this low in a really long time. Just got to make sure we don't go too deep so it doesn't drop a cylinder again. It does fine as far as like water splashing on it because I put the water hose on it for about 10 minutes or so and it never acted up. It doesn't do it until it's fully submerged. Sometimes it does it, and sometimes it doesn't, but when it does, it's always at the worst time. Hopefully my microphone's still working. I checked the GoPro footage when we got to the bridge over there, and I could hear it, so hopefully it stays working. I have no idea whenever it stops until I review the footage. level right now for a good river ride. I'm not sure how far we're going. Still have a full tank. This water's like really warm. It's not cold at all. But yeah, hopefully replacing both of those spark plug cable assemblies fixes the issue. I think it should, but like I said, I just don't know, because when I went in the snorkel pond when we first came out and started riding, it worked just fine, and then all of a sudden it just stopped. Back there, they wanted to take a picture and all. I guess this crossing here could be a little deep. Such a nice day. It's like mid-high 90s. River's nice and low. It's in a couple deep spots still, but it's not overwhelmingly deep. This is what I'm talking about when there's unexpected holes in this river. It's been pretty low the most part, but then you find stuff like this. That sand's so soft, it just digs down real quick. Ah, his belt's wet. Oh, we got him out. Well, they got him out. Alright guys, so we made it back to the parking lot. Went ahead and got everything loaded up. Unfortunately, we still have that issue going on with the Renegade, but we went ahead and called Lawton Motorsports and ordered 2 new spark plug wires. They're down in Texas from what they said, so they should be here hopefully by the end of this coming week. But we rode an hour upriver and back, and it didn't have no issues, so it's really weird. It didn't do anything to the snorkel pond, as y'all saw. But I'm just gonna replace the spark plug wires, and hopefully that works. If not, maybe it's the coil pack. I don't know. Y'all leave a comment, let me know what y'all think it could be. But if y'all enjoyed today's video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.